Today we are going to put a charm onto a pre-finished chain, but my charm doesn't have a jump ring on it yet. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to connect a jump ring that is large enough, like this 6mm jump ring, that will slide over the loop end of our chain. First, I need to connect the jump ring to my charm. I'm going to open my jump ring by pinching it on either side of the opening with flat or chain nose pliers and brushing the ends past each other. I'm going to link my charm onto the jump ring and close it by brushing the ends back past each other. I'm now going to slide this charm onto my pre-finished chain. I'm going to dangle the loop end of my chain right through the jump ring. And now my necklace is finished. The second way that we can add a charm that doesn't have a jump ring to a pre-finished chain is by attaching it around the chain directly. I'm going to use a 4mm jump ring. This jump ring will not slide over the loop end of our chain. I'm going to open my jump ring the same way that I opened the larger jump ring by brushing the ends past each other. I'm going to link my charm on, and I'm also going to link my chain on. And now I'm going to close up my jump ring by brushing those ends past each other again. And now my charm is attached to my pre-finished chain. By using a smaller jump ring and looping the chain into the jump ring, I know that my charm will not fall off the chain if dropped while the chain is unclasped. This is a great option for adding unfinished charms to chains.